If you want to unlink your Walmart account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into your Walmart account. Visit the Walmart website or open the Walmart app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the page. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Linked Accounts or Connected Accounts. This section will show all accounts that are linked to your Walmart account. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook option in the list of linked accounts. Click on the option to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from Walmart. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to unlink the accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Walmart account will no longer be linked to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Walmart customer service for assistance.